Important event in sexual reproduction is fertilization event. Fertilization event is the event in which fusion of male and female gametes takes place. Fertilization is the most important event in sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction, it is determined as the main important event. This process is also called as syngamy. This process is also known as syngamy. We can call fertilization as syngamy and leads to the formation of the zygote. Okay, fertilization leads to the formation of the zygote, which is diploid. For example, algae, fishes, etc. Okay. However, in some organisms, zygote formation takes place without fertilization and it is known as parthenogenesis. Okay. In some of the organisms like honeybees, lizards, rotifers, etc., the formation of zygote takes place without the fusion of male and female gametes. Such organisms are called as parthenogenesis, where the fusion of male and female gametes does not take place although zygote is formed. In most aquatic organisms and amphibians, fertilization takes place outside their body. Mainly in the aquatic organisms and amphibians, fertilization, that is fusion of male and female gametes, takes place outside the body, not inside their body. Whereas in humans, it takes place inside the body, but in the aquatic organisms and amphibians, it takes place outside the body, that is water, and it is termed as external fertilization. What is external? External refers to outside, where it takes place in the outside the body, so it is called as aquatic organisms and amphibians. Fertilization occurs outside the body, that is in the water, so it is termed as external fertilization. Their eggs and offspring are highly vulnerable to predators and this threatens their survival up to childhood. Okay, as the external fertilization takes place in water, so there is very dangerous taking place. It may be threatened by some mosquitoes, whereas anything. So it is very dangerous for the aquatic organisms and amphibians, vulnerable, okay, to predators and threatens, whereas it takes place very threatenable life to their adulthood. Understood about aquatic organisms and amphibians. Now we will understand how the terrestrial organisms do fertilization. In most of the terrestrial organisms, fertilization is internal, whereas in aquatic organisms and amphibians, the fertilization is external, which takes place in the water. Here internal refers means it takes place inside the female body. Okay, it takes place inside the body of female. In this process, the male gamete is motile. Motile means movement. Okay, male can be moved, whereas female cannot be moved. It is non-motile and reaches the female gamete to fuse with it. Okay, here what happens? Male gamete is motile, so that it can move. It reaches the female gamete and the fusion takes place. After the fusion, zygote is formed, thereby forming zygote. Male gametes are produced in large numbers. The male gametes are produced in large numbers. For example, birds, mammals, human beings, etc.